This conference will now be recorded. This conference will now be recorded.
Good morning, everyone. Today now I am going to discuss about communication for health education. Coming to the overview, this topic is discussed in 6 subheadings: introduction, communication process, and about characteristics of effective communication, types of communication, barriers, functions, and functions of health communication, methods used. Coming to the introduction, communication can be defined as a process by which people share ideas, experience, knowledge, and feelings through the transmission of symbolic messages. Essence of communication. Actually, this is a personal process, occurs between people, involves main objective of communication is changing in behavior. That means to influence others. By influencing others, one can change their behavior. An expression of thoughts and emotions through words and actions, tools for controlling and motivating people, and it acts as a social and emotional process. The key elements in communication are message, source, channel, receiver, and feedback. The communication process, first through the medium, the receiver got can get the information, and from that we got the response or feedback. The feedback will be sent to sender again, and it will be modified again and sent to medium. This is a cycle. The steps for effective communication: the sender should know the subject well, and also should be interested in the subject, and the sender should know the audience correctly and establish a rapport with them, and speak at the level of receiver. Choose an appropriate communication channel. This is very important. For effective communication, the receiver should be aware of the topic what the sender is telling, and should be interested in the topic and willing to accept the message. And the receiver should listen attentively and understand the value of message and provide the feedback. Next is interpersonal communication. This is a type of communication. It includes face-to-face communication. This is the most common method of communication and most persuasive. Influences decision of the undecided persons. Coming to mass media, main advantages are it reaches a large population within a short span of time, and most suitable for campaigns, and this will obtain a political will, can induce changes in the intellectuals. And the disadvantages of mass media include it is a one-way process wherein it carries messages from the center to the periphery. Feedback mechanisms are poorly organized, and being impersonal, they are usually not effective in changing established changes of behavior. Traditional and folk media. This is close to cultural values of rural population. These are very common in rural areas. They have been the principal instruments of perceiving the cultural heritage. India, these are examples, some of the examples of traditional folk media. Drama. See, here the picture shows the drama. Next, feedback. Feedback is one of the key concepts of systems approach. We can modify the elements of the system. Example, message and channels in the light of feedback from audience. For effective communication, feedback is of paramount importance. Coming to types of communication: one-way communication, two-way communication, verbal and non-verbal, formal and informal, visual communication, and telecommunication and internet. Coming to one-way communication, anyone please tell me the examples of one-way communication? Very common method. Please respond. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Then tell me example of one-way communication. Most common example. Teaching is the most common way of one-way communication. Coming to its drawbacks, knowledge is imposed in one-way communication. Learning is authoritative, little audience participation, and there is no feedback, and it does not influence human behavior. Coming to two-way communication, the main advantage is the communicator and the audience took part in two-way communication. Audience may raise questions and add their own information, ideas, and opinions to the subject. The process of learning is active and democratic, more likely to influence behavior than one-way communication. Coming to verbal communication, it can be two types: direct verbal communication or non-direct or written communication. In direct verbal communication, the method is word of mouth. It may be overloaded with hidden meanings. It is persuasive. In non-direct or written communication, it may not be as persuasive as a spoken word. Coming to non-verbal communication, communication can occur even without words, include a whole range of bodily movements, postures, gestures, facial expressions, attire, like smile, raised eyebrows, frown, and staring. Silence is also a non-verbal communication. It can speak louder than words. See, here are some of the expressions through which we can communicate. Visual communication. These include charts, graphs, pictograms, tables, maps, posters, specimens, and models. Here, graphs, we can get some information through these graphs. This is a type of visual communication. These are the maps, charts, and posters. Coming to telecommunication and internet, it is a process of communicating over distance using electromagnetic instruments designed for the purpose. Mass communication, it includes radio, TV, and internet. Point-to-point communication, telephone, telex or teletype, and telegraph. Electronic communication includes internet. Coming to the barriers of communication, these can be of various types. These include physiological, psychological, environmental, and cultural barriers. Coming to physiological barriers, there can be difficulties in hearing and expression. Next one is psychological. There were emotional disturbances, neurosis, levels of intelligence, language or comprehension difficulties. Coming to environmental, these include noise, invisibility, congestion. These are the barriers communication because they will interfere with the message that can, or they modify the message that the sender sends to the receiver. Cultural barriers of communication include illiteracy, customs, beliefs, religion, attitudes, economic and social class differences, and language variations. Next, coming to health communication. The main functions of health communication are information, education, motivation, persuasion, counseling, and in raising morals health development and organization. First one is information. Next one is education. Coming to aims and objectives of health education, this is mainly for encouraging people to adopt healthy lifestyles and proper use of health services available, and to increase interest among the community about new knowledge and improving skills and changing attitudes to solve their own problems. Next one is motivation. This is the power that drives the person from within to act. There are two types of motives, primary motives and secondary motives. These primary motives are driving forces initiating people into action. These motives are inborn desires. Secondary motives are based on desires created by outside forces or incentives. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
To tell a lady, next, to tell a lady faced with the problem of overweight to reduce her weight because she might develop cardiovascular disease or it might reduce her lifespan may have little effect. These are the complications of obesity. How to motivate that lady? But to tell her that by reducing her weight, she might look more charming and beautiful. She might accept the health advice. Motivation is contagious. Once motivated person may spread motivation throughout the group. Next one is persuasion. Fifth one is counseling. These require counseling require communication skills and gather approach. Raising morals. It is often found that people will not readily accept and try something new or novel until it has been legitimated or approved by the group to which they belong. Most of us prefer to do only the things commonly done by our group. This highlights the importance of group support in helping reaching the decisions and taking actions. Adoption of new ideas such as vasectomy or loop insertion is facilitated if there is a group support. This is an example. Next one is health development and organization. Then coming to communication, it can be vertical and horizontal. Types of learning. This includes 4. Effective learning, cognitive learning. This imposes knowledge to the receiver. Affective learning. This imposes attitude. Psychomotor learning for acquiring skills. Learning by doing. This is very important. If I hear, I forgot. This is a Chinese proverb. Once you can practice it, you can remember well. This is the meaning of this proverb. In this type of learning, there is coordination of muscular responses with sensory impulse. Nursing skills like bed making, applying bandages are learned by doing. Example. We must proceed from simple to complicated terms and from particular to general, from easy to difficult, from concrete to abstract, and from known to unknown. Because these are simple, the overall meaning of this slide is we can always go from basics to full knowledge. That is simple way to complicated ways. Coming to the health approach to health education. It can be 4 types: regulatory, service type, health education, and primary health care. Coming to regulatory approach, Any governmental intervention can be regulatory approach. It ranges from prohibition to punishment. Main causes of failure of this approach are cause of the disease cannot be eradicated by legislation. It is well, legislation cannot control the cause of disease. No government can pass legislation in areas involving personal choice. These are rules and regulations wherein these are the examples of regulatory approach. Seat belts, quitting smoking, and sterilization process. Coming to service approach, providing all the health services needed by the people at their doorsteps on the assumption that people would use them to improve their own health. These are the examples. Provision of sanitary latrines to the rural people. Health education approach, consistent with democratic philosophy. People will be better off if they have autonomy over their own lives, including health affairs on which an informed person should be able to make decisions to protect their own health. You can see health education approach in cinema halls, theaters, before starting of movie. That is also an example of health education approach. These are the examples. Primary healthcare approach, starting from the people, their full participation and active involvement in the planning and delivery of health services based on principles of primary healthcare. The main objective is to help individuals to become self-reliant in matters of health. Coming to practice of health education, these include audiovisual aids, methods in health communication, and mass approach. First, auditory approach. These include radios, tape recorder, microphones, amplifiers, and earphones. Visual aids. These are again two types. Those with not requiring projection and those requiring projection. These flannel graphs, chalkboard exhibits, models, leaflets, and posters do not require projection. These direct projector, overhead projector, slide projector, episcope, and micro projector and film strips. These are required. These require projection. These are the visual aids. These do not require projection. These are teaching chalkboard exhibits. This one. This one is this requires projection. Combined audio-visual aids. These include television, sound films, slide tape, and combination. Coming to health communication methods, there are three approaches: individual approach, group approach, and mass approach. In individual approach, personal contact, home visits, and personal letters are main types. In group approach, lectures, demonstration, discussion methods will be there. And in mass approach, television, radio, newspaper, mail, poster, museum, folk method, and internet. These will play a major role in mass approach. In individual approach, personal interviews will be there. Consultation, like examples are like consultation room of the doctor, health center, and homes of people. Main advantages we can discuss, argue, and persuade the individual to change his behavior, and it provides opportunities to ask questions in terms of specific interests. And the limitations were the numbers were each are small, and health education is given only to those who come in contact with us. Disadvantages: students are involved to a minimum extent. Learning is passive, do not stimulate thinking or problem solving capacity, and the comprehension of a lecture varies with the student, and the health behavior of listeners is not necessarily affected. Example include chalk and talk lecture, flip charts, flannel graphs, exhibits, films, and charts. Coming to demonstration. It is a carefully prepared presentation to show how to perform a skill or procedure. Here, a procedure is carried out step by step before an audience or target group. The demonstrator ascertains that the audience understands how to perform it. The demonstrator involves the audience in discussion. Learning by doing, it dramatizes by arousing interest, persuades and onlookers to adopt recommended practices, upholds the principle of seeing is believing and learning by doing, and it can bring desirable changes in the behavior pertaining to the use of new practice. The example include the clinical teaching in hospitals is based on demonstrations. Group discussion. Coming to group discussion, a group is an aggregate of people interact in face-to-face situation. Group discussion provides a wider interaction among members than is possible with other methods. Limitations of group discussions are those who are shy may not take part in discussions. Some may dominate the discussion. Always there may be unequal participation of members in group discussion unless properly guided. Some members may deviate from the subjects and make the discussion irrelevant or unprofitable. Next one is panel discussion. The panel comprises a chairman or moderator and from 4 to 8 speakers. The chairman opens the meeting, welcomes the group and introduces the panel speakers. Next, the success of panel depends upon the chairman. He has to keep the discussion going and develop the train of thought. After the main aspects of the subject are explored by the panel speakers, the audience is invited to take part. Next, coming to symposium. Symposium is a series of speeches on a selected subject. Each person or expert presents an aspect of the subjects briefly. There is no discussion among the symposium members like in panel discussion. In the end, the audience may raise questions. The chairman makes a comprehensive summary at the end of the entire session. Next, coming to workshops. These are all demonstrations. The workshop is the name given to a novel experiment in education. It consists of series of meetings, usually 4 or more, with emphasis on individual work within the group with the help of consultants and resource personnel. The total workshop may be divided into small groups and each group will choose a chairman and a recorder. The individuals work, solve a part of the problem through their personal effort with the help of consultants, contribute to group work and group discussion and leave the workshop with a plan of action on the problem. Learning takes place in a friendly, happy and democratic atmosphere under expert guidance. Next, coming to role play or social drama. It is based on assumption that many values in the situation cannot be expressed in words and the communication can be more effective if the situation is dramatized by the group. The group members who take part in social drama enact their roles as they have observed or experienced them. The size of the group is thought to be best at about 25. Role playing is a useful technique to use in providing discussion of problems of human relationship. It is particularly useful educational device for school children and also in rural areas, mostly because in rural areas illiterate people are more. Role playing is followed by discussion of the problem. Coming to mass approach, this includes television, radio, newspaper, mail, poster, museum, folk method, and internet. For improving communication, one may require general knowledge and one can improve their language, pronunciation, voice modulation, body language, develop the habit of reading and should listen more, interact with those who communicate well, and improve their knowledge on the topic of discussion. First, the communicator should think and then speak. Use simple vocabulary for the receiver to understand. Do not speak not only to impress, only to impress someone. Speak one should speak with sense, look presentable and confident. There are 12 principles of health education. These include credibility, interest, participation, motivation, comprehension, reinforcement, learning by doing, known to unknown, setting an example, good human relations, feedback, and leadership. Coming to credibility, it means it is a degree to which the message to be communicated is perceived as trustworthy by the receiver. How much the receiver gains is credibility. There are 3 C's of credibility that includes competence, character, and caring. The competence means the speaker's good sense, and character, the speaker's good character, and the caring, goodwill. This all includes credibility. Coming to the felt need, the individual perception of his needs. The felt need means the individual perception of his needs. And individuals or groups believe that they need something. This definition is very similar to a want. Poor acceptance. The water still latrines provided by the government was not as per the felt needs of the individual, which led to poor acceptance of the water. Next one is participation. It is based on the psychological principles of active learning. By participating, one can learn actively in the skills. Health education should aim at encouraging people to work actively with the health workers and others in identifying their own health problems and also in developing solutions to work out them. If community participation is not an integral part, health programs are unlikely to succeed. This is one thing, Alma Ata Declaration, including community participation. The people have a right and duty to participate individually and collectively in the planning and implementation of their healthcare. Next, coming to community level participation, to provide accessible, affordable, accountable, effective, and reliable primary healthcare and bridging the gap in rural healthcare through creation of ASHA. ASHA means Accredited Social Health Activist. Coming to comprehension, in health education, we must know the level of understanding. The one barrier of communication is using words which cannot be understood. In health education, we should always communicate in the language that people can understand. Never use words that are strange and new to people. Teaching should be within the mental capacity of the audience. Examples include, if a doctor asks the diabetic to cut down starchy foods, the patient had no idea of starchy foods. That is an example. If the doctor tells the patient in a manner that the patient can understand, he can modify his diet and it will be helpful in reducing the diabetes in the patient. Next one is reinforcement. Few people can learn all that is new in a single period. Repetition at intervals is necessary. There is no reinforcement. There is every possibility of individual going back to pre-awareness stage. If the message is repeated in different ways, people are more likely to remember it. Means reinforcement means repetition. 5 hours of memorizing, reading, listening, repetition, registration, and recall. The health educator should set a good example in the things he is teaching. If he is explaining the hazards of smoking, he will not be very successful if he himself smokes. If he is talking about the small family norm, he will not get very far if his own family size is very big. Good human relations. Sharing of information, ideas, and feelings happen most easily between people who have a good relationship. Building good relationship with people goes hand in hand with developing communication skills. Psychologists learn best from people who we respect and regard. In the work of health education, we try to penetrate the community through the local leaders, the village headman, the school teacher, or the political worker. Leaders are agents of change and they can be made use of in health education work. If the leaders are convinced first about a given program, the rest of the task of implementing the program will be easy. Coming to attributes of leader, he understands the needs and demands of the community, provides proper guidance, takes the initiative, is receptive to the views and suggestions of the people, identified himself with the community, selfless, honest and impartial, considerate and sincere, easily accessible to the people, and able to control and compromise the various functions in the community. Possess the requisite skill and knowledge of eliciting cooperation and achieving coordination of various official and non-official organizations. Thank you. Please attend your roll calls. Roll number 1. Roll number 1.
One present, ma'am. One present, ma'am.
2. 2. Roll number 2. 3.
3 present, ma'am.
4.
4 present, ma'am.
5.
5 present, ma'am.
6.
6 present, ma'am.
7.
7 present, ma'am.
8. Roll number 8. 9.
9 present, ma'am. 9 present, ma'am.
10 present, ma'am.
11.
11 present, ma'am. 11 present, ma'am. 12 present, ma'am. 12 present, ma'am.
13 present, ma'am.
14. 14.
14 present, ma'am.
15. Roll number 15. 16. 16. 17.
17 present, ma'am.
18.
Ma'am, roll number 2 present, ma'am.
Roll number
Two, ma'am.
Okay.
18 present, ma'am.
Roll number 19,
19 present, ma'am.
20. Roll number 20, 21, 22,
22 present, ma'am.
23,
23 present, ma'am.
24,
24 present, ma'am.
25,
21
okay,
present,
25,
ma'am.
25, 26,
26 present, ma'am.
27,
27 present, ma'am.
28,
28 present, ma'am.
29,
29 present, ma'am.
30,
30 present, ma'am.
31,
Present, ma'am.
32,
32 present, ma'am.
33,
33 present, ma'am.
34,
34 present, ma'am.
35,
35
35,
ma'am.
36,
present, ma'am.
36 present, ma'am.
35 present, ma'am.
37,
37 present, ma'am.
38,
38 present, ma'am.
39,
39 present, ma'am.
40,
40 present, ma'am.
41,
41 present, ma'am.
42,
42 present, ma'am.
43,
43 present, ma'am.
44, 44,
Ma'am, 25 present, ma'am.
45,
45 present, ma'am.
46,
46 present, ma'am.
47,
47 present, ma'am.
48,
48 present, ma'am.
49,
49, 49 present, ma'am.
50, 50, 51,
51 present, ma'am. 51
52,
present, ma'am.
52,
52 present. 52 present, ma'am.
53,
50 present, ma'am.
54,
53 present, ma'am.
54, 55,
55 present, ma'am.
56,
56 present, ma'am.
57,
57 present, ma'am.
58,
58 present, ma'am.
59, 59, 60,
60 present, ma'am. 60
61,
present, ma'am. 61 present, ma'am.
62,
62 present, ma'am.
63,
Present, ma'am.
64,
Present, ma'am.
65,
65 present, ma'am.
66,
66 present, ma'am.
67,
67 present, ma'am.
68, 68, 69,
69 present, ma'am.
70,
Ma'am,
70 present.
59 present, ma'am.
68 present, ma'am.
71,
Ma'am,
68
71
present,
present,
59
ma'am.
present, ma'am.
71,
71 present, ma'am.
72, 73,
73 present, ma'am.
74,
74 present, ma'am.
75,
75 present, ma'am.
76,
76 present, ma'am.
77, 78,
78 present, ma'am.
79, 80,
80 present, ma'am.
81,
81 present, ma'am.
82,
82 present, ma'am.
83,
83 present, ma'am.
84 present, ma'am.
84,
84 present, ma'am.
84, 85,
84 present, ma'am. 84 present,
okay,
ma'am.
85, 86, 86,
79 present, ma'am.
87,
87 present, ma'am.
87, 88,
88 present, ma'am.
89,
89 present, ma'am.
90, 90, 91,
91 present, ma'am.
92,
92 present, ma'am.
93,
93 present, ma'am.
94,
94 present, ma'am.
95,
85 present.
96,
79 present, ma'am.
96, 97,
97 present, ma'am.
98,
Ma'am,
85 present.
okay, 96, 98,
44 present, ma'am.
okay,
Ma'am,
99,
95 present.
99 present, ma'am.
Ma'am, 78 present, ma'am.
100,
100 present, ma'am.
101,
101 present, ma'am.
Ma'am, 95 present.
102,
102 present, ma'am.
103,
102 present.
103 present, ma'am.
104,
104 present, ma'am.
105,
105 present, ma'am.
106,
106 present, ma'am.
107,
107 present, ma'am.
8,
108 present, ma'am.
9,
109 present, ma'am.
110,
110 present, ma'am.
111,
111 present, ma'am.
112,
112 present, ma'am.
112,
112 present, ma'am.
113,
112 present, ma'am.
okay,
112 present,
113,
ma'am.
113, 114,
114 present, ma'am.
115,
115 present, ma'am.
16,
116 present, ma'am.
117,
Present, ma'am.
118,
118 present, ma'am.
19,
120 present, ma'am.
119, 120,
120 present, ma'am.
120,
120 present, ma'am.
121,
119 present, ma'am. 121 present, ma'am. 122 present, ma'am. 119 present, ma'am.
123,
122 present, ma'am.
124,
124 present, ma'am.
125,
125 present, ma'am.
126,
126 present, ma'am.
127,
127 present, ma'am.
128,
128 present, ma'am.
129,
129 present, ma'am.
130,
130 present, ma'am.
131. 131. 132.
132 present, ma'am.
132. 133.
132 present, ma'am.
133 present, ma'am.
130.
132
133
present,
present. 123 present, ma'am.
135.
134 present, ma'am.
135.
Ma'am, 132 present, ma'am.
Okay. 135.
134 present, ma'am.
136.
Ma'am,
136 present, ma'am.
123 present, ma'am.
Present day 123.
135
I'm
present.
79 present, ma'am. I'm 79 present, ma'am.
Okay, 79.
84
134 present, ma'am.
136.
136 present, ma'am.
137.
Present, ma'am.
138.
138 present, ma'am.
39.
139 present, ma'am.
140.
140 present, ma'am.
141.
141 present, ma'am.
142.
Present, ma'am.
143.
143 present, ma'am.
144.
144 present, ma'am.
144 present, ma'am.
145 present, ma'am.
146.
146 present, ma'am.
147.
147 present, ma'am.
148.
148 present, ma'am.
149. 149. 150.
150 present, ma'am.
151.
151 present, ma'am.
152. 153.
153 present, ma'am.
154.
154 present, ma'am.
54 present, ma'am.
21 present, ma'am.
Ma'am, 25 present, ma'am.
25 present. Okay, bye.
54 present, ma'am. I'm 86 present.
119 present, ma'am.